Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this side-eye emoji, which is different from the side-eye emoji on Apple's keyboard. So let's get started. So in order to get this, it's going to be really simple. Of course, if you go to Apple's keyboard and click on emoji and search up side-eye, right? The only two available are these two side eyes and not necessarily this one. But in order to get this one, we're going to do something quite different here so that it can add to our keyboard. So first thing is you need to go to Google and search up side eye emoji. You can find one from any of the website that you like here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one, for example, one I see right here maybe, right? And then I press and hold to save to photos, right? I'll save it to photos. And then this time it will save that photo that I downloaded here onto my photos album. Now once you have it on the photos album, you are going to press and hold until and let it go until you get this add to sticker. So we're going to click on add to sticker, which is going to add it as a sticker onto our keyboard section here. So I have that here. And now if I go ahead and message someone, right, go ahead and find someone, and you click on this plus icon right here. So I click on that plus icon and then click on stickers here. I'll see those side-eye emoji and I can press one and then I can hit that send and it will send them a side-eye emoji just like that. Now this necessarily isn't part of the keyboard emoji section, but this is going to be the best way to do it. So anytime you want to send a side-eye one, you can just do this one instead of picking the ones that are defaulted here. So that's kind of the best option instead of trying to find one from your keyboard, because Apple doesn't necessarily incorporate this exact one onto their keyboard. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.